Hello guys, nizere ko meze neza. Uyu munsi ndashaka ko dukora interview n'umucuruzi. Murabona ducuruza imodoka Dubai Port. Aho tugiye tugira ama companies menshi acuruza imodoka. Ndashaka ko uyu munsi tuganira n'umucuruzi umwe mu bimporta amamodoka, atuganirize ese izi modoka zinjira gute mu Rwanda, ese nta henda, ese n'iki umuntu yagenda kubera icyo yakwizera aje kugura imodoka no kugira ngo abashe kumugira icyizere amuha imodoka. Ese agira imodoka zimeze gute, azizana ate? Reka tuvuganirize. Turaganira na company imwe hano ikorera muri iyi nzu, ndashaka ko twinjiramo tukareba. Let's go. Okay, twinjiye hano. Intro ya kabiri. Hano ni muri Dubai Port. Iyi ni inzu nshyashya mu office. Ku bantu bashyira n'amakampani akoreramo hano, abashobora gukenera office akoreramo hano, bakoreramo habamo amakampani z'ama insurance, uwo wese ushobora gukenera office hano mu office baradukodesha. Twahageze rero, twahageze muri yitwa Daya Cars. Iyi kampani yatangiye bibiri na gatatu mu gucuruza imodoka. Ni karibu twinjire rero uko hameze. Isi imeze gutya. Hello boss. Hello. Yeah, how are you? Good morning. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah. How are you? I'm fine. Good? Yeah, I'm good. Good morning. Everything is okay? Yeah, this is okay. Yeah. You are doing some business? Yeah. Yeah, it is the morning now. Maybe you are starting a new job. Okay. Happy to see you.
Happy to see you.
Okay, thank you.
Good day.
Okay. Boss. First of all, we just want to start by like a presentation.
Okay.
Yeah, we just make some presentation. Your name and your company name. How you are working? Yeah, thanks. No problem.
Here, tell us their office.
No problem. Can you go to the
Okay,
office?
there is.
Okay, let's go to the office. Yeah, thank you so much, boss.
Okay.
Yeah, we appreciate for everything.
Okay.
First of all, yeah, we just want to know your name, your company name.
My name Talat Abbasi. I am from Pakistan.
Okay,
We are Dayan International.
okay,
Our business is 8 countries.
okay,
Mother company in Korea.
okay.
Now Rwanda 2013 since our company.
Wow.
Very
In Rwanda?
old. In Rwanda 2013 still now.
Okay,
13-year-old.
okay,
And all of the Korean car deals.
okay,
We never accident car buy in Korea.
okay. You're working in Rwanda?
Yes.
Your friends most bring inside Rwanda.
Before we bring Toyota, but 2022-3 up now still in Kia. Kia
Okay.
is Rwandan people like too many.
Okay.
Kia Sorento 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Also I have 22.
Okay.
2010 to 2022 all model and different color I have.
Okay,
Kia Sorento, Kia Niro.
okay.
Small people like Hyundai.
Okay.
Hyundai small people Tucson and
You know, when you are doing business in Rwanda, there is some challenges you are meeting when you are selling the cars.
this Rwanda business
Okay.
is small risk. Why risk? In not ship in Rwanda. No
Okay.
sea.
Okay, yeah.
No sea. He's bring Tanzania.
We are running
Tanzania
out.
port no have because of Tanzania to here drive 1500 kilometer.
Yeah.
Sometimes car is accident.
Okay.
Sometimes is spare part is problem. Sometimes is then
At least, how many cars you are importing at least in 1 year? Can you count on 1 year or how you bring cars? You bring cars in month, three
Month,
months? How?
I bring every month 2 container.
Okay.
My car every month 2-3 container on the way every
Okay.
month.
Every month.
Every month.
Okay.
But here I stock maybe 25 to 35
Cars.
cars every time here have.
Okay.
25 to 35 cars.
Okay. As you in nowadays, the business for selling cars, is it good in Rwanda nowadays or how you are saying?
Before
Okay.
last year 2025
Okay.
very good business in Rwanda.
Okay.
But this year 2026
Okay.
is business slow.
Okay.
Because of US and Iran war, diesel
Yeah.
price increased.
Okay.
Then I think it's slow.
Yeah. It's a problem for everyone.
Yes.
For
everywhere,
business.
everywhere,
Yeah, for every
business is
Yeah.
slow.
Okay. But why did you choose Rwanda? But you're saying there's you
Yes.
have some
I-
countries. Why did you choose Rwanda?
Why choose?
Okay.
My one friend is Rwanda ambassador in Korea.
Okay.
Korea embassy in Rwanda.
Okay.
There, he's meet for me, and
Okay.
2010 he buy car for me there. First time I sending car in Rwanda.
Okay.
2010.
Okay.
He and me good friendship.
Okay.
We always he invite me come Rwanda. You see, he's good people, he's loving people, and weather is very good.
Okay.
Then he also my another friend, Mr. Sunga.
Okay.
Sunga, he is notary advocate.
Okay.
He's liar.
Okay.
He's liar. He's also invite me come. Then
Yeah.
we come here 2013.
Okay.
4 year I live.
Okay.
2017 I go back in Korea.
Okay.
But business slow. My friend see watching and slow business. Mr. Sunga help us.
Okay.
But 2025 I shift here.
Okay, sure. Okay, boss, which in one or two advice can you give to someone who is still outside the country, or anyone who is in Rwanda want to make some business for Senkars?
Before, Rwanda business is very good, but
Okay.
now competition too much.
Okay.
Competition too much,
Yeah.
and also diesel price increase.
Yeah.
Then his petrol and diesel car sale is 20% slow.
Okay.
20% market in hiring in electric cars.
Yeah. And
But small people
Okay.
like Sorrento, selling Common and Sam Sorrento again.
Okay. yeah. Okay, I understand. You know, as you are doing this business for Senkars, there is some challenges.
Challenges have.
The
Here,
most challenges you are meeting nowadays. Yeah. What about challenges when you have car inside? This Dubai port.
inside
Uh-huh.
only water problem. Wash
Washing.
no good.
Okay.
Washing car no good in dust too much. Now dry season in Rwanda.
Okay. Yeah. What about when you have car here?
Yeah.
When you are selling car to customer, is there some challenges or troubles? Customer can come back to you like a problem for the cars?
No. My
Okay.
car,
Okay.
me still here 2 year.
Okay.
Still I am here. No
Okay.
any one car is problem. Customer call me or only one customer call me.
Okay.
His headlight inside bulb.
Okay, Bob.
Bulb only 2K, 3K.
Yeah,
I send him, he
so
changed.
simple.
Only no big any issue.
Okay,
My car.
how do you buy the cars in Korea? You have someone there?
No, me personal. I personal buy.
Go there, buy.
Me go there and my brother there have one
Okay.
brother.
Okay.
My 3 nephew there have.
Okay.
He buys and send me.
Okay.
His supplier here, many other people
Okay.
buy car for me.
Okay.
He is reselling.
Okay.
I give him Korea.
Okay.
Many people have.
Yeah, many people.
12, 13 people have buy me in Korea.
Okay. But when you sell car to people or your customer, what about with the car you give him with plate number? You give insurance to customer or insurance is for
No,
himself?
insurance for customer.
It's for his side.
Car,
Okay.
I give him car.
Okay.
I control technique
Okay.
is our guarantee.
Okay.
Control technique insurance is paid by customer. Sometime control technique we pay,
Okay.
but no problem. Only 55,000.
Okay.
This no matter. Insurance customer pay.
You pay
If
yourself.
any problem,
Okay.
1 month
Okay.
we fix it free.
For everything.
Everything, any
Okay.
problem with car,
Okay, means everything for the car in 1 month.
1 month.
we are able to fix
fix it
everything.
free.
Okay, fine. Yeah, boss. How do you compare the business for selling cars in Rwanda, even in your country? How do you the difference? How do you see the difference for selling cars here and in your country? How can you compare?
Here,
Okay.
here business is easy
Okay.
for my country in Pakistan.
Okay.
My country in Pakistan, I have business. If I one container bring 4 cars,
Okay.
all taxes I pay
Okay.
and bring to my city.
Okay.
And here Rwanda 2 container, my country 1 container. Price same.
Okay. Yes. We have more than 40 companies that sell the cars.
Yes.
Why can anyone can choose your company to buy your car?
Here?
Yeah.
Ah. My car,
Okay.
no, never accident history in Korea.
Okay.
Is guarantee. Never repairing. Engine, mission, never repairing.
Okay.
Is my guarantee.
Okay.
Is also I show him.
Mm-hmm.
I have website, paid website.
Okay.
I show him any customer. He
Okay.
check chassis number
Okay.
and checking.
Okay.
Never accident history in Korea.
Okay.
I know by.
Okay.
My car, 100% original paint in Korea.
Okay.
No paint in Rwanda.
Okay.
No any repairing in Rwanda.
Yeah.
My original car in bring in Korea.
Okay.
Another one thing,
Okay.
me hire one person,
Okay.
Hyundai and Kia,
Okay.
retired one person in Korea.
Okay.
His job 25 years in Hyundai company. He's
Wow.
retired now. Age is 63 years.
Okay.
We hire.
Okay.
My car is fully checked. This person
Before you pay.
before you pay.
Okay.
He check. He pass.
Okay.
Then I buy.
Wow.
He speaking is no good.
Okay.
Then no buy.
Okay. Yeah.
I
Means
pay one car 300 for checking.
for checking.
Yes.
Yeah. Means.
I pay. But quality car, no problem.
Okay. Oh, so fine. So it's so nice. Okay. Boss, let me ask you some other. I will ask you, Mark, 2 marks. Then you will tell me this one. Yeah. Kia and Hyundai.
I like Kia.
Okay.
But no, Rwanda I like Kia.
Okay.
Korea and Pakistan also I have Tucson.
Okay. You're Texan. Okay.
Me use Tucson,
Okay. Toyota and Mitsubishi.
Toyota,
Okay. Mercedes Benz and the BMW.
Benz.
Benz. Okay. Do you have a Lamborghini in your country?
Yes, I have
Lamborghini and Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Ferrari. Okay, so nice. Okay. So nice. Let me ask you like other 2 or 3 questions for us. Yeah. Okay. How do you see the life in Rwanda? Like expenses you are meet with outside in lifetime. What about your experience in your lifetime? Like you are renting the house at the time outside where you live. You buy the food.
Rwanda life
Okay.
is very easy.
Okay.
No any problem.
Okay.
All is have here. Fresh vegetable, fresh fruit, meat, beef,
Okay.
all have.
Okay.
No any problem.
Okay.
People are loving.
Okay.
No problem. Anything no problem.
Okay.
People, customer are very good. Means compromise us, no problem.
Wow.
For selling car, no problem. Any
Okay.
no issue.
Okay.
People are very good. People need small discount, but every person searching car
Okay.
and any searching item, he
Okay.
needs small discount. He is very good
Okay.
for us. All people for us very
Okay.
good. No problem. We are me selling
Okay.
maybe 2 years. 150, 60 cars, but
Okay.
me, no problem. Any one customer is no misbehave, any no issue.
Okay.
All I sell car,
Okay.
I have computer record.
Okay.
After 1 month,
Okay.
1 month and 45 days, 40 days, I message him.
Okay.
If any problem you
Wow.
are okay. He reply me, car is very good, no problem.
Be-
20 to 25 customer
Okay.
repeat it.
Okay,
Again
they
and
come
again,
back. They
come back,
to
come
you.
back. Car
Okay.
is good,
Okay.
then he's come back.
Okay.
He need more car and he's come back.
Okay, yes.
Many
nice.
customers.
Okay.
We are here,
Okay.
but we plan their
Okay.
shift, but both side is open.
Okay.
We work in both
Okay,
sides.
boss. Yeah, thanks so much for everything.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, thank you.
which car you have for this price? The cheap car you have in your cars now.
Cheap car, I
Okay.
have Honda Insight.
Okay.
Is 11 million. 11 million Sorento
Okay.
2010. Different colors.
Okay.
Black, grey, silver, chocolate. 4 color I have all cars.
Okay.
2010, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Okay.
17,
Okay.
22.
Yeah.
13.5
Okay.
cheap price.
Yeah.
And up 50.
Okay.
Also I have Jeep regular. Jeep.
Okay. I have seen on
60 million this price.
60 million.
Yes.
60.
60.
Which model?
2012.
Is it fuel? Only fuel.
Only fuel.
Wow.
Four wheel.
Yeah, for I take a video and
Ah.
share with my friends.
Ah.
Yeah, if they are ready to come, they come and buy. Boss, thanks so much.
Okay.
We appreciate
Okay, welcome.
everything. Yeah.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet
Thank
you.
you.
boss. Yeah, thank you.